When people think about an exciting time for stocks, they think of the next 2 weeks. That's when some of the most important consequential companies on earth report, practically at the same time. Throw in the actions of the new president, and all I can say is we are not going to have any idea what the heck we're doing until we have time, probably at night, to sift through all the data points and study all the conference calls. Yes, 8 times a year, 2 weeks a quarter. You have so much information to deal with that it's impossible to not make mistakes. Unless you take my advice and do nothing but listen. It's the only way you won't hurt yourself. Compared to the next 2 weeks, today was easy. Dow dipping 141 points, S&P declining 0.29%, NASDAQ losing 0.5%. And NASDAQ, did I mention the videos down? Okay, there, I said it. All right, now, what is exactly the game plan? Well, what I've done is truncate it and just focused on some of the bigger ones, but there's so many others that I could have focused on. We don't have all day here. Next week starts out calm enough when we hear from fan favorite SoFi on Monday morning. Now, I've been championing this fintech company and its CEO, Anthony Noto, for ages, but it was one of the most heavily shorted stocks out there, and they've been keeping it down for no reason. I expect good numbers, and the shorts are going to continue to be routed. AT&T reports, too, and given that Verizon, it didn't stink up the joint, I have to think AT&T will be fine.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.